Want to use a different search engine in Mullvad Browser? In this video, I'll show you how to change the default search engine and how to quickly use a different one whenever you need it. Launch Mullvad Browser and open the main menu by clicking the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. From there, open Settings, then select Search from the menu on the left. At the top of the page, you'll find the default search engine option. Open the drop-down menu to see the available choices. You can select options like DuckDuckGo, DuckDuckGo HTML, DuckDuckGo No AI, Mojeek, Brave Search, or Startpage. As soon as you choose a different search engine, the change is applied automatically. Any searches you make from the address bar will now use your selected provider. You don't have to stick with one search engine all the time, though. Open a new tab, click the search engine icon next to the address bar, and choose this time, Search With. Then pick a different search engine for that tab. That search engine will be used on the current tab, but when you open a new tab, Mullvad Browser switches back to your default search engine. This is a handy option if you usually prefer one search engine but occasionally want to compare results or use another provider without changing your browser settings. And that's how you can change the default search engine in Mullvad Browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.